You're not a business owner. You're an email replier, a data entry clerk, and a scheduler. You are drowning in 5-minute tasks that steal 10 hours of your week. But what if I told you there is a digital ghost waiting to take over? Welcome to the new architecture of productivity. Today we build your first AI-driven autonomous business unit. Stop working in your business, let's work on it. The definition of insanity is doing the same mundane tasks repeatedly and expecting time for strategic growth. Every time you copy information from an email into Excel or manually send a follow-up, your business stagnates. We call this operational friction. It kills startups and it burns out freelancers. In 2026, friction isn't just inefficient, it's a competitive disadvantage. While you are sorting emails, your competitor is using AI to analyze their entire customer journey. The gap is widening. To cross this gap, we need a shift in mindset. You must stop seeing yourself as the operator and start seeing yourself as the architect. An architect doesn't lift bricks. They design the structure. Our structure is a workflow, a digital system where platforms communicate without human intervention. We will use a powerful glue platform, Make.com. Make allows us to connect over 1,000 apps using logic that looks complicated but is surprisingly simple once we build our first blueprint. Let's build the client inbound blueprint. This workflow solves the biggest headache, client onboarding. Here's the architecture. First, the trigger. A client fills out a form on your website. Second, the logic.make.com detects the submission. Third, the intelligence. It sends the form data to OpenAI. AI analyzes the request, summarizes it, and assigns a priority score: low, medium, or high. Fourth, the organization. Make sends the summary, priority, and client data to Notion, creating a new client profile automatically. Fifth, the reply. If the priority is high, AI drafts a personalized reply email, saving it as a draft in your Gmail. And finally, the update. The workflow posts a notification in your Slack channel. All of this happens in 3 seconds while you are drinking coffee. The architecture we just built saves you 20 minutes per client. If you get 5 inquiries a day, that's almost 6 hours a week. It isn't just about saving time, it's about eliminating decision fatigue. When you open your computer, you aren't overwhelmed by 50 new emails. You are looking at a prioritized list in Notion with draft replies already written. This is what it means to be an architect. You have created an autonomous employee that never sleeps. If you are ready to stop sorting and start scaling, I have a gift for you. In the description, I've included the exact JSON blueprint for this Make.com workflow. You can import it and start automating today. If you want more advanced architectures for your specific PC hardware or technical diagnostic setups, subscribe and comment Architect below. The future doesn't just happen, it is engineered. Build yours.